Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed, can you please subscribe to my channel? So today I want to teach you how to remove object background. So first of all, we will start a new project where we will open a photo that we want to remove the background. Here's my photo, then we open. Okay, you can see this photo is set to be the background photo, so we have to duplicate it. Then we switch off the background one, then we go and select polygonal lasso tool. After selecting, then we have to highlight this object. We highlight all of this object. Highlight. 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 There we go. So after that, we're going to select and mask. Then you click select and mask. Here you can see. Click again. There we go. Now you can see that the background was removed. Then we have to do some touch up after saving this object. We click erase tool. Zoom a little bit, then we erase this part which is not part of the object. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos.